Okay, you're on.
So I'm gonna do it for my list until you. Bye!
Wait, what are you doing?
I'm doing math, but I won't be this good.
Bailey, move.
I'm still my girl.
Are you dancing?
I'm doing this my girl.
Savannah, are you dancing?
Yes, but I know. I'm pretty like.
What is that?
It's a hula dance.
Can you stand up and let me see you do it? Because hula dances don't happen on the ground. Oh, that's a pretty hula dance. Who taught you how to hula dance?
Little Einsteins, when the purple girl do this.
Oh, little Einsteins? All right. Bye-bye.